Welcome in this quick and easy tutorial. I'll be showing you how to make a Likert scale in Google Forms. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first and foremost, go ahead and add in your question. Okay. Just for example, you can go ahead and add in whatever you want right here. But just for example, I'm just going to leave it as is. Okay. Multiple choice. Instead of multiple choice, by the way, we're going to select a multiple choice grid. Okay. So we're going to have the Likert scale. Now, rows right here. For example, the price of the product, okay, the quality, support, or customer support, just like so. I'm just going to make it simple. Now, columns right here, you would go ahead and type down the options that they would select. For example, agree, disagree, or strongly disagree, something like that, okay? Say neutral. 3 for now. And then once done, make sure that you enable require response in each row. And then after that, what you're going to do is just preview it, okay? As you can see, so what they're going to do is just go ahead and select one answer or one bullet point right here, or radio button in each row, okay? And that's how you make a Likert scale in Google Forms. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.